an honor to accept that, to be the leader of an iconic company, a company that has been built by pioneers, many of whom are here in the room right now, and has put India on the map of the digital world. It's a matter of tremendous pride and real privilege. So I am very happy, humbled and privileged to take on this responsibility. Having lived my entire adult life in this world of software, I think the unique opportunity that I see is that the world around us is basically becoming reshaped and completely transformed by software, by digital technology, by computing. And the position that we have had over the last 3 decades at Infosys of being a unique provider of software-driven solutions and services to the greatest companies in the world, in my view, gives us a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to help with this transformation of the world that is going on around us with software. Of all the companies in the industry that I see a tremendous opportunity of an unencumbered path to help shape and help accelerate the transformation of the world around us with software. Every industry, every walk of life, every company in the world is going through this transformation. And I really am excited about working with all the Infosians, me being the latest member of them, to bring about this transformation. From new kinds of innovation, new kinds of services, new kinds of capabilities that we bring to the clients, to improving and accelerating the ways that we bring our services and our capabilities to our clients, to also improving the way that we work, the way that we learn, the way that we educate. I've had a long friendship with Shibu and Chris in my tenure at SAP, and I was always amazed by the importance that Infosys put on education and on learning. And when I first met Mr. Murthy, he asked me this puzzle, a mathematical puzzle, one that I had an unfair advantage at because I had built a columnar database. What was amazing to me was not only that the leader, the very topmost leader of a software company, had the insight to ask such a technical question rooted in the very grounding of our industry, of what we do. But he also remembered having asked that same question to generation after generation of Infosians. And he remembered the amounts of time it used to take them to answer that question. And he commented on the evolution of that time. And I'm not going to share with you what that evolution was. But the fact that this man and this company had such a deep handle, understanding and value on learning, and our, as Mr. Murthy says, learnability, was incredibly impressive and in fact moving to me, having come from a background of education and learning myself, and having worked with the assumption that learning is at the heart of the transformation of every company. So with that, to me, there is no doubt that an incredible journey is in front of us. You know, we Indians are fascinated by 100, by centuries, and cricketers are often scoring centuries. When I was thinking about it, Infosys has just finished 33 years. And I look to the second third of a century ahead of us. I only feel a tremendous sense of excitement and privilege to help take this iconic company that shaped this industry for India and help shape that industry one more time, and help take it to greater heights together with this incredible team of Infosians, our clients, and all the stakeholders. And frankly, I also look forward to working with all of you in the media to help share the journey, help share the success, and also often, every once in a while, the failures that we will see, and to help share this with the world outside, as we collectively, all of us in the ecosystem, take this as a matter of pride for us to help with this great transformation of the world around us with software. Thank you very much.